What if I told you that the most valuable banknote ever printed in modern history started its life not as paper, not as ink, and not in a bank, but as a cotton plant? That the $10,000 note, Singapore's most prestigious denomination ever issued, began as raw white fibres before going through one of the most complex, secretive, and technologically astonishing manufacturing processes ever designed for any object in human history. This is that story, and by the time you finish hearing it, you will never look at money the same way again. Singapore's $10,000 note is not just currency, it is an engineering masterpiece. Every single one of these notes was worth 10,000 Singapore dollars, roughly 7,000 to 8,000 US dollars per note, making it one of the highest value banknotes ever circulated anywhere on Earth. And the level of technology, security, and precision that went into producing each one was absolutely extraordinary. The story begins not in Singapore itself, but at a high-security banknote printing facility contracted by the Monetary Authority of Singapore, known as MAS, the institution responsible for issuing all Singapore currency. This facility operates like no other building you will ever encounter. Perimeter walls with razor wire at every boundary, armed security personnel at every gate and checkpoint, CUV towers covering every angle, biometric identity scanners at every internal doorway. Nobody enters or exits without being identified, logged, and authorized. And from the moment raw materials arrive at the loading bay to the moment finished notes leave in armored vehicles, absolutely every movement, every gram, every sheet of material is tracked and accounted for without a single exception. Now here is the first remarkable thing about Singapore currency that most people never know. The $10,000 note is not printed on paper, it is printed on cotton. Pure cotton fibre substrate manufactured exclusively for currency production and not available commercially anywhere in the world. Cotton paper is dramatically stronger than ordinary wood pulp paper. It can withstand being folded thousands of times at the same crease without tearing. It can survive moisture, dirt, and years of handling that would destroy ordinary paper in days. The cotton arrives at the facility in large compressed white bales, each one tracked with an encrypted barcode carrying its full supply chain record, fibre quality grade, certification documentation, every transport checkpoint it passed through from origin to arrival. Nothing is anonymous, everything is verified. The cotton bales go through a series of increasingly intense industrial processes to transform them from raw fibre into the specific substrate that Singapore currency requires. Powerful machines called bale breakers tear the compressed bales into loose, fluffy fibre clumps. Those fibres travel through pneumatic cleaning pipes where sensors continuously scan for any contamination. A single detected impurity triggers an automatic air blast that ejects it instantly. The cleaned fibres then enter a massive digester pressure vessel where alkali solutions and high-pressure steam treat them at intense temperatures, chemically purifying every individual fibre at the molecular level. Multiple rinse cycles with completely pure deionized water follow, and by the time the cotton fibres emerge from this process, they are among the purest white fibres you have ever seen in your life. Those purified fibres are then ground in a refiner machine into a thick, luminous white liquid cotton pulp, which flows into a large mixing vat called a hydropulper, where powerful agitators create a swirling vortex. And this is where the very first invisible security feature of the Singapore $10,000 note is born. Tiny microscopic fibres that are completely invisible under normal light but glow brilliantly under ultraviolet examination are released into that swirling vortex and distribute themselves in a completely random and unpredictable pattern throughout the entire pulp batch. These reactive security fibres become permanently embedded inside the paper structure itself, not printed on, not added later, but physically part of the cotton paper forever. You cannot remove them. You cannot fake them. Their random distribution pattern in each note is unique. The liquid pulp then flows onto the Fourdrinier paper forming machine, a massive industrial marvel that stretches dozens of meters across the factory floor and performs what seems like an impossible transformation. Liquid cotton pulp sprays from a precision nozzle onto a fast-moving wire mesh belt, and the individual fibers instantly begin interlocking spontaneously to form a continuous paper web while water drains away below. At this precise stage, while the paper is still wet and fragile, two more permanent security features are built directly into its physical structure. First, an engraved roller called the dandy roll presses the portrait of Singapore's first president, Yusof bin Ishak, into the wet fibre surface, displacing fibres to create the famous multi-tone watermark that every Singaporean recognises when they hold a genuine note up to the light. Second, a windowed security thread bearing the text mass Singapore and the denomination in 4 languages is inserted precisely into the centre of the forming paper and immediately covered by a second layer of pulp, encapsulated inside the paper forever. The paper goes through press rollers, through a long heated drying tunnel, through a protective coating station, and finally through a stack of massive polishing rollers called a calendar that compresses and smooths the surface until it is perfectly flat and uniform. Laser thickness gauges confirm every measurement is within specification before the paper winds into enormous jumbo rolls weighing 2 tons each. After a controlled resting period and a battery of quality tests, including a folding endurance test that bends a sample strip thousands of times without failure, the approved paper is slit into precise printing sheet widths and moved into the high-security printing hall. This is where blank white cotton paper begins becoming the most valuable banknote Singapore has ever produced. The Singapore $10,000 note has a distinctive warm light brown multicolour appearance, and the inks that create this are formulated in a dedicated laboratory to exact pigment specifications, then ground through a 3-roll mill until every pigment particle is reduced to submicron. Fineness, smoother and more uniform than anything you encounter in everyday life. The first printing stage uses a technology called simultaneous offset printing. Watch what happens to a blank white sheet as it passes through this enormous machine for the very first time. At first contact, almost nothing. The faintest possible whisper of pale warm brown, barely visible. Then pass by pass the design builds. The rectangular borders of individual note positions appear. Then the intricate Gillick security line patterns, those extraordinarily complex interlocking geometric designs that fill the background of every genuine Singapore note, begin emerging from the pale wash. The onyx Kari shell design that decorates the background of the $10,000 note, a sea snail shell historically used as currency across the Indian and Pacific Oceans, appears as a delicate motif growing more defined with every pass. The text Singapore in all 4 official languages, English, Malay, Chinese and Tamil, strengthens, and gradually, unmistakably, the portrait of Yusof bin Ishak emerges from a soft suggestion into a recognisable face, then into a sharp, photorealistic, dignified portrait. The reverse of the note builds simultaneously. The economics theme, featuring a research scientist at high-technology laboratory equipment, a microprocessor, a silicon wafer, protein sequences from breakthrough research by Singapore's Institute of Molecular and Cell Biology, and a subtle printed circuit board background. Both sides printed in perfect registration, perfectly aligned. Then, the intaglio press. This is the machine that gives every genuine Singapore banknote its unmistakable physical feel. Hardened steel plates engraved to microscopic depth are coated with thick paste like ink that fills every engraved groove, then wiped clean from all flat surfaces, leaving ink packed only deep inside the engravings. The cotton currency paper is pressed against this plate under enormous hydraulic pressure. The paper is forced into every ink-filled groove. The ink bonds to the paper at a molecular level, and when the paper is pulled away, the ink rises with it, standing in crisp, raised ridges above the paper surface. Run your fingertip across a genuine Singapore note right now. That roughness you feel on the portrait, on the numerals, that physical texture is the direct result of this process. It cannot be replicated by any ordinary printing machine. It is one of the most powerful anti-counterfeiting technologies ever applied to any banknote. After intaglio printing, the sheets enter the most restricted area of the entire facility for the application of the kinogram, the second of the 2 most prominent security features on the portrait series, and one so important that mass itself states a note with a missing or damaged kinogram. commands no value at all. A precisely controlled stamping die applies the kilogram holographic foil to each note with a flash of heat and pressure. The kilogram features the mass logo alongside the denomination, and as you tilt a genuine note, the kilogram performs a spectacular transformation, shifting colours dramatically, shifting depth, the imagery appearing to move in 3 dimensions. Then the UV inspection tunnel reveals the fluorescent fibre security pattern blazing brilliantly in the paper. Then, automated multispectral scanners verify every machine-readable security element, magnetic ink, microprinting, anti-copying line structures, and the asymmetric serial number format unique to Singapore currency in milliseconds per note. Then the numbering hall, where hardened steel wheels stamp every individual note with its unique asymmetric serial number in 2-color magnetic ink, a number shared by no other note in the entire history of Singapore currency production. The completed sheets are cut by guillotine into individual notes, each one flowing onto conveyors in a continuous warm light brown cascade, a portrait of Ence Yusof Bini Shark on every single one, fresh from production. Final scanners verify every security feature in under 10 milliseconds per note. Perfect notes are counted, bundled in groups of 101 million Singapore dollars per bundle, assembled into sealed bricks of 1,000 notes, vacuum sealed, laser marked, packed into reinforced cartons, and moved under armed escort in Singapore Police Force convoy through the streets of Singapore.
Every note, Singapore.